Hello friend, Namaste, Sastrikal. Today I am going to explain you about the job work add-on, how the job work add-on is working, and what is the basic process inside the SAP Business One as a to order some material for the job works. As all of you know that there is no provision of the job work in the base of the SAP Business One. So what we are doing in this case, we are developing the job work add-on outside and adding inside on SAP Business One. So this is also known as add-on. So job work add-on is a customized part of the SAP Business One. Look, see here in the menu bar, you will see this is the CBS QC and job work. These are the two add-ons here. So today I am going to explain you about the job work, and tomorrow or in the next video I will explain about the QC. So for creating the job work order, just click on the job work like this. Whenever you will click on this, you will get these are the different options: job bill of the material, job work order, in process job work in process job work issue. So come here and click on the job work order. Whenever you will click on the job work order, a screen will appear like this. There are two provisions for the job work order. It may be outside or inside. In case of the outside, when suppose that this is in my company, some we are production company and produce some FC items, and there is some SFG item. We are not working here, doing something outside. So in that case, the raw material will send to the outside, and the SFG product will be returned back after the job work. So job work is the process under which the certain material will get prepared manually outside. Like suppose that in the surface finishing we have a certain material and just have to do some certain surface finishing. So such types of the things happening outside the our unit. In that case, we will send the material for the job work. Another in the textile industry, suppose that we have a numbers of cut pieces of the cloth, and for the stitching, we are sending the material for the outside, and after the stitching, it will return back as a shirt, pant, and another things. So these are the process of job. So how we will send create the job work order, how we will send the material outside, how we will receive the material inside, and what is the procedure to create the bill as well as the payment of the job work. So let's see, come here. So first of all, whenever you will come on the screen, you will observe job work. There are two types, outside and inside. Whenever the material, when we are sending the material outside for the job work, in that case we will select outside. Whenever I am doing the job work for the another company or another unit, it will be case of the inside. So what I have to do in present, I am sending the material outside. So just select outside here. Okay. Then just select the BP code. BP code means business partner who is doing the job work. So just select the business partner code here. So let us consider I am selecting this one. Whenever we will select the BP code, the BP name will appear automatically. Now, uh, posting date is today, so delivery date, just enter here the delivery date. But what have to do, we have to complete the whole process of the job work. So I am entering the delivery date of the today. So just click any alphabetical number, the date will appear. Is it clear? Now, come here, the plan quantity. What is the plan quantity? How much quantity you are sending outside your production unit for the job work. So let us consider I am sending 100 items. So in that case, just put enter here 100, and what are the job work during what are the job work have to do on that item. So these are the operation codes under which you will select anyone. Whenever you will tab or here, will get the numbers of job work process or operations here. So we are sending the material for the dyeing. So just select the dyeing here. Is it clear? Now come here in the row details section. What is the input item? What input item means, just you are sending something on the outside, and what is in on the machine process. First of all, the material will come on the floor, on the machine floor, and after the completion or after the job work, we will get as a output. So in case of input, just select the item which are issue from your unit for the job work. So what have to do? Just select the that item. So let us consider conducting the raw material, any raw material here. Those are available in our. So this is the material as a this is the raw material we are sending outside for the job work. So this is the material, and this is the unit of measurement, and plant quantity is how much? It is 100. So just enter here 100. Delivery date is what? Today delivery date. So just enter today delivery date. If something color and style is here, so just write down the color. Color is black, and the style is what? The style is accent. So I have to enter here like this. So this is the tail of the input item. That is the item which are those are sent outside from the our unit for the job work. Now just enter select here the output item. Whenever this item is going outside for the job work, after the completion of the dyeing, we are getting the another final product. So just select the item code of that product. So let us consider the final product is this one. Okay, so just select this one, and how much quantity? This is 100. So just enter here 100. What is the job work charge? So let us consider I am putting here 50 rupees. So the job work charge will be 50 multiplied by 100. It will be 5,000. So this is the 50 into 100. Delivery date is today. So just enter any number. What is the color? Black and B. Black, and style is what? Style is Excel. So just write down this one. Uh, so here the input item is already get selected, output item is also selected. What is this? This is the byproduct. Whenever you are sending the input product, that is the when you will issue the certain raw material, you will get the output product as a final FG item, and the byproduct is what? When the material which are as a escape or any byproduct we are getting during the process, so you can capture also byproduct. Any one from all these items is the byproduct. So this is the provision in the job work order. You can select the byproduct. Also, if there is no any byproduct, you can leave it blank. The thing is attach. In case of the attach, you can attach any file or display or a screen for the for the job work. Like suppose that you can attach here any pic of the final product, so that the job work so that the vendor doing the job work can identify the what actually you need. Okay, so after putting the all these things, just add click on the add button. Whenever you will click on the add button, your job work order is get created. What I have to do right now? Just click on the last data record here, and you will get the last job work order this one. What I have to do now, change the status of the job work order. Here you can see this is in the state of the phrase. So just click here and you will get the three options: phrase, release and close. Whenever you will select the release, the material of the job work, just click on the release and update it. Now this material you can issue. It will appear on the issue screen on the receive screen. If you are not going to change the status of the job work order, it will not appear on the goods issue screen or the receive screen. In that case, the job work order will be standing here. So now just select the copy the vendor, and what I have to do right now, now we will issue the material, input material. So just write down here good issue. So this is the goods issue. Now, what is the job work type? Job work type is outside. So just select here outside. Whenever you will select the outside, you will get the BP code here. The option you will get to enter the BP code. Just Control or V the BP code. Whenever where you will, we are not getting the BP name. It means something is missing. Okay. So what I have to do? Just click on the tab button. Whenever you will click on the tab button, you will get here and just paste the vendor code. So here this is the vendor. What is the Alan Enterprises? Just choose it like this. The BP name is automatically appear here. And now what I have to do? Just search the job name here in the row detail. This is the job name. Now click the tab button, you will get like this. Choose this one. All the details available on the job work will automatically fetch up here. Now what I have to do, just click on the challan reference. You will get the challan number. Okay. Now now click on the add button. Your material will issue for the job work. So just click on the add button. This is the batch. This is the batchable item. So just select batch uh, here. So what I have to do? The material is batchable, but as you can see, there is no any batch available here. So just right click here and click on the batch number completion. Now, okay, write down here. You can create here also, and here you can also here by the auto creation. Whenever you will clear the auto creation, you will get an screen like this. So just enter the batch details here. So the batch details is I am writing right now. A string is XL. Okay, this is the size, and the second attribute is I am writing 1101 letter. Sorry. 101. Just yeah, 101. All the quantity will be appear on this batch. 101. Even net. So sorry, I'm trying to connect to the server. Now just create the batch, and this is the what is the size. So size is just write down here X and L. Actually, press tab select the existing record. yeah, yeah. This is the selection form for the size master. So we will select this one. Yeah, this is the batch creation. Now add it. Now select auto batch. So the all the 100 plant quantity get issue on this batch. So just update it and now add it. So your material is issued right now for the job work. So this is the raw material. Those are going outside for the job work. After the goods is what have to do, the material will transfer to the vendor, and the vendor will complete the job work, and after the completion they will return to us. So what have to do right now? Now we will receive the material, the final product, your outgoing product. The initial the product was the input product was already issued. Input product were already, this is the input item. The input item is issued by the goods issue scheme. Now what we to do after the job work, we will receive the output item, this one. So we will go through the goods receipt screen. Just click on the goods receipt screen and select the job type. So job type is what? Job type is outside. So just click the on the outside and again come on here on the BP code, click on the tab button, you will get this one. Just select the vendor. Vendor is an enterprises. So just choose it. Whenever you will choose it, the name will appears automatically. Now what I have to do? Just select the job num. So come here and search the job num. Where is job num? Wait and watch. Wait and watch. Where is job num? I'm searching right now. Job num. Yeah, yeah. This is the job num. So click here and just click on the tab button. You will get this one. Whenever you will get job num, all the data on the job work order is up here. What I have to do right now? We have to select the challan reference number. Whenever the challan reference will appear, just click the tab button. You will get this is challan issue details. What is this detail? This detail explains that the challan number is this one, the challan entry is this one, challan date is this one, issue item. This was again net issue. Sorry. So this is the challan number. This is the challan entry, challan date. This is the issue item. Okay, and this issue item consumed to prepare the final job work product. So just write down the quantity consumed here. So this is the 100. So just write down 100 and click on the choose. Okay, and edit like this. Now you click on the add button. Your goods will, you cannot change. Yeah, just click on the yes and your goods receipt get completed and your item get transferred into the inventory of warehouse. What have to do right now? We will have to prepare the bill for the same job work charges. The vendor already completed their job work, so what we will have to pay the job work. So for the same, the bill is required. So just click on the purchase cycle, come on, the, select the AP invoice, Still we are facing the net problem. So sorry. Okay, now click on the AP invoice. Yeah, this one is the AP invoice. So just click on the AP invoice. The screen of the AP invoice will open. What have to do? Just right click, just paste the vendor code here or name of the, you can write the code or name of the vendor. Vendor name was LN. Where is LN? LN. There, yeah, this one. LN Enterprises. So just choose it. Yeah, LN Enterprises. Each and everything automatically get fetched up. Just uh, keep in mind the here the item or services type should be services, not item. In that case, you will, because job work is a type of the services. So what I have to do? We will create the bill in the case of the services. So just come here and search the job name. Whenever you will see in the row detail the job num column, click on the job num column and then click on the click on the tab button. You will get the job num and just select the job num. Each and everything from the job order detail will appears on the screen like goods issue and goods received. So what I have to do? Just click here on the job num. Yeah, tab buttons. Click on the tab. You will get the job work order number. Just choose it. Whenever you will choose it, it will fetch up all the details here. What is this? This is the job work charge. 5,000 is the job work charge. As you can remember, there are 100 items and each item's job work charge was 50 rupees. So total amount will be what? Total amount will be 5,000. So just select here the code, tax code. In case of the services, the tax code is 18%. So just select the 18% tax code, IGST 18% here. Yeah, this is the 18%. Select the location. Location is Noida, and that in case of the services, there is a SAC code similar to in case of the item, we are selecting HSN code. So select the SAC code here. So let us consider anyone in the SAC code, no any area. So just select the SAC code and finally, so yeah, what I have to do? Just see here. This is the tax. 18% of the 5,000 is 900. This is the taxable amount. This is the base amount, and totally 5,900. So just click on the Add a New button. Your invoice will get deviated from the permissible range. Actually, the session will close on the 31st March, but this one is on the 3. So what I am going to do, just changing this date, due date up to 30/03/23. Okay, so that it will be in the same posting period. Now it will get created. Add this, and your invoice is generated. So your invoice is get generated. You can check the general entry. This is the general entry. The vendor get credit by the 5,900, whereas IGST account get debit by the 900 and the job work charges by the 5,000. So this is the general entry or account impact on the bill. What I have to do right now? Now go in the banking and by the outgoing payment mode, you can pay the bill to the vendor as a job work charge. Okay, so just come and let's see, click on the banking mode, outgoing payment. Yeah, what I have to do? Just click here, tab button. The vendor is Alan, so just select here Alan Enterprises, choose this one. You will get different types of the bill here. So the present bill is what? Present bill is 5,900. So just select that bill. This one is 5,900. So select this one and you will see here. Yeah. So this is the amount have to pay as a job work charge. So just click on the payment means. This is the golden icon. This is the known as payment means. So just click here and the screen will appear like this. So there are different modes of payment. You know what are the different check, banking, transfer, credit, and cash. How we can do the payment by the check. How we can do the payment by the bank transfer, credit card, and the cash book. So what I am going to do here, I am going to do the payment by the bank transfer. So just click on the bank transfer and the select the GL of the bank. So just click here and write down CC account. Why CC? Because the bank account is initiated by the CC. So just choose this one. This is the bank account. The date of the transfer is any number, whatever you want to write down any references. Just enter here. Then click on the total button and the control B. Control B button, you will get the total amount here. Just click the tab button like this and add this one. Okay, your payment means is completed. Whenever you will see the general entry, this is the general entry. The bank account is credited by the 5,900, whereas the vendor get debit 5,900. So this is the process under which you can pay the job charge to the vendor. So today in the today session, you observe that how we will create the job work order, how we can issue the material for the job work, how we can receive the material, the final job work material, we can receive the final product, how we can receive the final product, how we can generate the bill of the job work, and also we observe in the last the how the payment you will complete in the SAP Business One. So job work is a add-on, not the part of the base things. So this is the add-on that is the customization thing. This whole process is developed outside and add up here. So this is known as add-on. So by the help of this, you can create a job work order and you can send the material for the job work. You can receive the material for the job work as well as you can create the bill and the payment of the vendor like this. So okay, thank you. Have a nice day. And in the next session, I will share the QC add-on, how we can do the QC quality check of the material in the SAP Business One. So please like, subscribe, and keep watching my video so that I don't forget to comment on my video. If you will comment, you will suggest me, then I will share more and more video. So just try to uh, try to comment on my videos. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.